I know this message is unprecedented, but this is a mother's plea, a mother's prayer that I give and shout out right now. I'm calling out my adult son. Aaron, come out. Go to church. What you're looking for is not at the club. It's not in a drink. It's not vaping. I know nice girls can be found at a club, and I know demons can be found at the church. But I'm calling you out in love. Come out, go back to church. Be around people who are like-minded. They might be on different parts of the journey, some stumbling, some strong, but all moving in one direction toward your Father in heaven. Come out. And now I'm saying to all my sons, okay, who might be listening, any of you grown men, this is a message from your mother. Come out. You tired of that life? It's worse than what it was when you started. This message is for you, from a loving mother, a mother's plea, a mother praying for you. Come out. Go to God. He has what you're looking for.